Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, we're going to take a look at LinkStorm, an AI-powered internal linking tool that helps you discover relevant internal linking opportunities across your website. We will see how LinkStorm works, its main features, and whether it can actually save time when managing internal links on large websites. So let's get started. If your website has hundreds of thousands of pages, finding relevant internal linking opportunities manually can take a lot of time. You need to figure out which pages are related, where internal links should be added, and what anchor text should be used, and whether your website contains orphan pages, broken links, or unnecessary redirects. This process may be manageable for a small website, but it becomes much more difficult as the website grows. That is where LinkStorm can help. LinkStorm is a tool designed to analyze the content and internal link structure of a website. It scans your pages and identifies opportunities where one page can be linked to another relevant page. The important difference is that LinkStorm does not rely on the exact keyword matching. It uses semantic analysis to understand the topic, meaning, and context of each page. For example, imagine that your website has one article called Beginner's Guide to SEO and another article called How to Improve Your Google Rankings. These two pages may not exactly use the same keywords, but they are still closely related. Because LinkStorm analyzes the meaning of the content, it may be able to identify the relationship between these pages and suggest an appropriate internal link. Now let's look at why is internal linking important. Internal links connect one page of your website to another page on the same website. A good internal linking structure can help visitors discover related content and navigate your website more easily. It can also help search engines understand the relationship between your pages and discover content that may otherwise be difficult to find. Internal links may also help distribute authority across different pages of a website. However, the goal should not be to add as many links as possible. The links should be natural, relevant, and genuinely useful to the reader. For a website with only 10 or 20 pages, internal linking can be managed manually. But if your website has hundreds or thousands of pages, manually reviewing every page can become extremely time-consuming. This is where LinkStorm becomes useful. Now let's look at how does LinkStorm work. The first step is to add your website to LinkStorm and allow the tool to crawl it. LinkStorm then analyzes your pages, content, existing internal links, anchor text, and website structure. Once the analysis is complete, it displays internal linking opportunities. For each suggestion, you may be able to see the source page where the link can be added, the target page that should be linked, the suggested location inside the content, a possible anchor text, and a relevant score showing how closely related the pages are. This gives you more information than a simple recommendation that says two pages should be connected. You can understand why the link is being suggested and decide whether it makes sense for your visitors or not. Now let's look at AI-based semantic internal linking. One of LinkStorm's main features is its AI-based semantic internal linking system. Many basic internal linking tools depend heavily on keyword matching. For example, if the same keyword appears on two different pages, the tool may suggest linking them. But the presence of the same keyword does not always mean that the pages are contextually related. LinkStorm attempts to understand the meaning and topic of the content. This allows it to identify relationships even when the two pages do not contain exactly the same words. As a result, the suggestions may be more relevant than those generated through basic keyword matching. LinkStorm provides a relevance score for its internal linking suggestions. This score helps you understand how closely the source page and the target page are related. When a website has a large number of opportunities, relevance scores can help you prioritize your work. You can start by reviewing the suggestions with the highest scores and then move on to the lower scoring opportunities. However, the relevance score should not be treated as the final decision. A suggestion may appear relevant to the tool, but it may not feel natural inside the actual paragraph. That's why human review is still important. Anchor text is the clickable text used for a link. For example, the words "learn more about technical SEO" can be used as the anchor text for a page about technical SEO. Descriptive anchor text is usually more useful than generic phrases like "click here" or "read me." LinkStorm can identify relevant phrases inside your content and suggest possible anchor text for the internal link. This can save time because you don't need to manually search every page for a suitable sentence or phrase, you should still make sure that the suggested anchor sounds natural and clearly describes the destination page. An orphan page is a page that does not receive internal links from other pages on a website. The page may still exist and be accessible through its direct URL, but the visitors and search engine crawlers may have difficulty discovering it naturally. LinkStorm can help identify orphan pages or pages that receive very few internal links. You can then find relevant articles, categories, or service pages that can link to those pages. This feature can be particularly useful for blogs, news websites, e-commerce stores, and other websites that regularly publish new content. LinkStorm is not limited to suggesting new internal links. It can also analyze your existing link structure and identify potential problems. These may include broken internal links, redirect URLs, and other link-related issues. A broken link sends the visitor to a page that no longer exists. A redirected link sends the visitor through another URL before reaching the final destination. A small number of redirects may not be a serious issue, but large websites can accumulate outdated or unnecessary links over time. Having these issues displayed in one place can make the auditing process much faster. Click depth refers to the number of clicks required to reach a page from the homepage. A page linked directly from the homepage may have a click depth of 1. A page that can only be reached through a category page or another subpage may have a greater click depth. Important pages that are buried too deeply inside the website may be harder for visitors and search engines to discover. LinkStorm can analyze click depth and help identify pages that may need stronger internal links from higher level pages. LinkStorm can also integrate with Google Search Console. This allows you to combine internal linking data with search performance information. For example, you may be able to identify pages that receive impressions but need stronger internal support. You can also use performance data to prioritize pages that have the potential to rank better. This makes the internal linking process more strategic because decisions can be based on both content relevance and actual search data. One of the most important features is the ability to manually review suggestions. You should not automatically publish every link recommended by an AI tool. Before adding a link, check whether it fits naturally inside the content, whether the target page is genuinely useful, and whether a similar link already exists nearby. AI can help identify opportunities, but the final editorial decision should remain with the user. This combination of automation and manual control is usually the best approach. Now let's see who can benefit from LinkStorm. LinkStorm can be useful for SEO professionals, content marketers, bloggers, affiliate website owners, e-commerce businesses, publishers, and agencies managing multiple websites. For a very small website, the tool may not be necessary because internal links can be managed manually. However, for websites with large number of pages, it can save a significant amount of time. In conclusion, LinkStorm is more than a basic internal link suggestion tool. Its semantic analysis, relevance scores, anchor text suggestions, orphan page detection, broken link auditing, and click depth analysis make it a useful tool for websites with large amount of content. However, no AI tool is completely accurate. The best results will come from using LinkStorm to discover opportunities and then manually reviewing each suggestion before publishing it. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts about AI-powered SEO tools in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.